So the holes drilled through the foundation, into the thing, into the basement, and it's all good. Here's another plenum over here, where they're not messing with the AC lines, they're doing anything over here.
I guess there's so many going through, I would assume that they would have done one and one. Why'd they fucking ruin the thing?
No.
Right? Shouldn't they have done a big hole here and a big hole there?
No, this is fine.
It's funny. Two lines right there.
Yeah.
See how it like bows out?
Yep.
They're gonna make it like...
So those are old lines, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyway, the sun came out, so that's good. That'll help tremendously.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Maybe give them a
little incentive, yeah.
It hasn't... I don't feel that's cold.
Alright, well, I'm going to go to the front and see what's going on. Yep, that's funny pipe, alright. Apparently they're going to use something like a swing joint, I guess, over there, and have it run back here. If there are going to be heads here, I'm not sure how it's being plumbed, but we know there's one going there. I would think you would need a larger diameter pipe. They ran all of mine using plastic pipe like that. There's no funny business involved. Oh, my Stradivarius. So this, I think I showed you before. Video over video. Yeah, here's some of the old line. Besides being kinked and run over with the machine and that, this...
Oh look, 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, these pipes have had it. This, unfortunately, this old system that was here is just too friggin' far gone. No saving it, just like mine.
So it looks like there's one line that goes all the way to the end, to the zone.
Videoception.
So they came out, one line to the
So his video is going to be too long. I'll go head up there, see what's going on. They're going under the fence now, I think. So I guess the spigot was on to allow it to drain, and it also came out the new pipe. There it is. So that's all blown out now. I don't know where any of the other heads are going. I guess one there and whatever else. There's probably going to be a number of them along here because there's pipe here running under the driveway. It's already put in. Just fixing that together over there. There's already 4 heads put in over here. You can't even see them. They're like, I don't know, there's one, I think. He just had a hole here, he just like, it's gone. That was something. Here's one line, it's run already from under the fence, and I guess they're going to send others, and I don't know what else is going on. Or maybe they're pulling it through, I don't know what they're doing, but they'll get it done. The old holes. And here is the thingamajobber right here. That's all plumbed in. I don't know why there's a drop there, but it was tested already, as you saw before. I've seen better soldering jobs, but these guys don't know how to work like plumbers do. It's not horrible, but certainly not great. And the pipe from the house is crooked. I don't know if you can tell, it kind of knocks over that way. Because this is still loose at this end. Nothing went on. This is just loose here, as you see. So that's how the pipe to the house was. But it's in, and outside will be a spigot, probably by the ground, where it can be blown out from, and all the other good shit. We're running more line over here. They've dodged the bullet over here, the electrical, because that was all mapped out. On the shed, so that's all good. And that runs down probably over to there. So funny pie. I don't know, this whole business is funny. Well, pretty funny. More old lines. More old lines here. These more old lines. It's kind of muddy and shit here, but that's a mess. Pipe there, and I guess there's going to be a head over there just to be shatani. Oh, I don't know what that one is. So he's walking around doing his thing. I don't know if he's going to water behind the shed. You know, you need your shed watered every now and again. So anyway, he's doing that, and that's about it for now. And there he goes. Look at that clearance. Wow, right in. No more. Bring it back, Mike. Bring it back. Oh, watch this fucking leg. Yeah, it's in. Just like that. So I guess the digging is done, and there's another, found another old head. Came up as they were running the last line. The muddy looking one over there. The other one is there with the blue. And now it's pretty much grind it till you find it.